Hello and welcome to our channel Nuturemite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos. Today, I am here to discuss on the topic what role.
If while stocking up the weekly ration, you find it hard to resist yourself from trying new ingredients, we can understand. And cheeses have to be the number one most tempting ingredient of all. Walking down the cheese aisle, watching all the fancy cheese stocked in the refrigerator, it is difficult to not imagine greeting those wonderful blocks on your pastas and salads. Or if you are not that big an enthusiast but love paneer, just like most North Indian households, you also have shared trouble with the cheese stalkers, and that is both cheese and paneer going bad before we know that. Whether it is the dark grey patches on your freshly brought cheese block or the false smell and dry texture of paneer, both of these things happen very quickly once the packet is open. So, to prevent that, we have some measures for you to keep both paneer and cheese soft and solid, fresher and usable for longer periods. For paneer, wrap in a muslin cloth. When you buy fresh paneer, it is important to wrap it in a slightly wet muslin cloth. This prevents the dryness and also keeps the fresh taste of it intact. Rewrap every fourth hour. If you intend to use the paneer much later, it is important that you re-wet the muslin cloth every 4 hours and wrap it around the paneer. The refrigerator also tends to suck out moisture from it, and this step can prevent that from happening. The water treatment. If you buy paneer from the dairy shop, you must have noticed that they keep those large blocks of paneer soaked in water. You can follow the same technique at home as it prevents it from losing any moisture and staying fresh for long. Thaw in warm water. If you are going to use store-bought paneer that comes in a plastic wrap, it is important to let it get to room temperature at least 10 minutes before you start to cook it. Just add some warm water in the bowl and let the paneer sit in it for 10 to 15 minutes. This will not only make it softer but will also take the smell and taste of the plastic away. And now it's time for your dry cheeses. Use of cheese or parchment paper. If you have bought dry cheese like Parmesan, cheddar or Ronchel, it is important to use either the cheese paper or parchment paper. Both of these give space to the cheese to breathe and eject the fumes that it produced. Plastic wrap does the opposite of it and does not allow the cheese to breathe, what makes it go bad real quick. Replace the paper. Every time you take the cheese out to use, it is important to change the paper that you are using, especially if you have cheeses that sweat. Changing the paper will give them a fresh, breathable environment that won't be available in the used sheet anymore. For soft cheese, use of the original box. Cheeses such as mozzarella, ricotta, or cheddar are sold in a brine solution, and it is important to keep them in the same solution for as long as possible. This method helps them stay alive for longer and taste better. Replace the brine water. Though the brine solution is what is keeping the cheese fresh, it can gain a false smell or discoloring on your cheese. In this case, it is important to replace this solution with a fresh one. And brine solution is nothing but salted water.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.